Hi YouTube, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I have some topics. First I want to show you how is the MonoMA going on Darwinex. So let's open the VPS and we'll have a look. From the last video not many changes happened. You can see, well, that's the balance right now, 100k, 363, that's okay. This one trade, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, still open, still running, some swap costs adding up. So this made me think about one change. Let's see if I can find the right chart for this one. Yeah, this is it. Um, this line shows as soon as the price hits this line, the trailing stop kicks in. And as the swap costs are so high, I was thinking about, okay, let's implement this change. When the swap cost is negative, sometimes it can be positive and it adds to your win. But in this case, it's negative. So every day this line moves a little bit, and not just a little bit, it calculates the, depending on the lot size and the tick size of the forex pair, this line moves a little bit, so it adds up. Now it has to move like $6 more to hit the trailing stop. So this was one thing that I added. I was thinking about, okay, how much time does this cost in a backtest? One backtest from 2006 to 2024 takes like 38 seconds. Yeah, 38. No, 36. And with this new function, it takes 2 seconds more, 38. So I was thinking about, okay, 2 seconds on one run, that's not a lot. But you're backtest or I'm backtesting a lot, like 10,000 runs just for one pair in one direction. So yeah, 2 seconds can be a lot. This at the end, this results like in a full day or something. So I was thinking in one more change, and this change was like everything that the EA does, it writes here in the experts tab. Like for a user, this is not too important, but for the creator and the coder, this is important because it explains why the EA does what. Like in the journal tab, you see, okay, it opened a trade, it closed a trade and stuff, but there can be errors, there can be things like global variables, and all those things the EA writes here. This helps me to like debug, and I implemented a function that turns those expert comments off, but just for backtest scenarios, like in the forward test or in the live run, like now. I put an alert like, hey, this needs to be activated, or if not, you cannot activate the EA. So this again saved some seconds. I calculated now from 38 seconds, it went down to 30 seconds. So in total, it's a time saving of like 25%, and that's a lot. Yeah, those were the new things of the Mono MA. Yeah, just not much happened like expected. There's one trade in Euro US dollar and this one still. So let's see how this one turns out. Like I'm in the middle of, like I'm in day 8 or something. Let's see. Let's log into Darwinex. Yeah, day 8. And I have another EA that I turned on. You see there's a second terminal here. I can show you this one. This is the triple MA. So as the name says, Mono MA uses one moving average. This one uses 3 moving average, like the typical strategy that you know. Even it is so known, it's still super profitable. Yeah, in case you don't know, well, you have 3 moving averages. One shows like the trend, where it goes, price has to be above, and then you wait for a crossover of the moving averages. So this is like, that's all it does. Again, 60 set files, 30 longs, 30 shorts. I just took this one online, and I will show you in Darwinex. Hello? Well, it doesn't want to load now. It's sleeping. Um, yeah, it's day 0 here, I can tell you. Day 0, I just took it online, so that's the second account. Let's see how this one plays out. Of course, I'll keep you updated on this one as well. You see 000. Active since, no, 14th, Ah, yeah, I created the account earlier, that's true. But today I took it online. Yeah, so we'll see how this one turns out. Keep you updated on this. Yeah, and I'm working on the third EA. Well, working. Um, I'm starting to backtest the set files. I can show you this as well. We have the mono MA, which uses one moving average. We have the triple MA, which uses three moving averages. And I created the counter triple MA, which uses again three moving averages, but again the third, like the slowest moving average, is telling you the trend. And the other ones, usually they have to cross from below to above, but this one opens a trade from above to below. So not really reversed, but kind of reversed. I just started to backtest it. You see you have the mono MA, the triple MA, counter triple MA. This is it. And I just made two backtests of today, like starting and stuff. Here you have the table. This is the result. This is how a profitable pair can look like. Not all pairs look like this. This is one. You see backtest results pretty good, 99.99. I usually sort it by the recovery factor to see like what's the highest one depending on the trades. So this is throughout the period of 18 years, it creates about 100 trades in one direction. So this is just a long file. As you can see here, this is the long file. Yeah, we can just let it run. Let's take this one. Recovery factor of 10 with 99.98, 107 trades. That's pretty good on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, let's see. We can see how it's running. You see from 2006 to 2024, well, until today. So that's a long period of time, having several crises in it, several, how do you say that in English? Bullish times, yeah, let's say like this. And that's the graph how it looks like. It opens all trades with a risk of 0.1%, so it's pretty low. But as I said in a video earlier, you have I'm using 60 set files, so having a risk of 0.1%, for me that's fine. And you also saw it in the mono MA account, it has like $300 of profit. That's okay, that's pretty good. Yeah. So that's the graph, how it looks like, or how it looked like in the past. Who knows what happens in the future. Pretty happy with that. So I would go here, save this file, and then look out for another one, like on a 15. Oh, well, that's a pretty bad score. But I would look through this, through the table, and see like, okay, that's the 20-minute chart. Let's look like recovery factor of 7. The score is still good. So I would use this as well. Then I have two long files which complement each other with different moving average periods and different modes of the moving average. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to backtest it. It will take a week or two. It really takes a long time because it's like 30 backtests. Each of the backtests takes like 2 hours more or less, depending. Yeah, I can give a quick preview. I have 6 local cores. It's like in German we say mini PC, yeah, like it's super small. And I have 11 PCs more that are all connected to like one big farm, and I'm using them all. I used the cloud network, but that results super expensive, so I don't use that anymore. I just use my own farm. And like this, I need like around 2 hours, 2.5, sometimes 1.5 for each backtest, for each direction. So it takes a 1 or 2 until all set files are finished. When that is done, I will take the counter triple MA live, and I think the mono MA will be done with its training phase, and we can start to create real profits. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. Hope you liked the video, and see you next time. Bye.